Hi, you guys. This is Mrs. Middlemass from the library. I'm not in the library right now. As you can see, we are working at my dining room table. I wanted to talk a little bit about Overdrive. That is what the icon looks like for Overdrive. So when you go to your app store, you can look up Overdrive. What Overdrive is a way for you to check out ebooks on your phone. There is access through the public library and our school library for everybody who lives on the western slope of Colorado and in other towns through their libraries too, to check out ebooks through Overdrive. So if you click on Overdrive and download it in your phone, I'm not going to update it now because I don't want my daughter's phone to update while I'm trying to show you how it works. You can install that on your phone. So basically, once you have it installed, and I have an iPhone, my icon looks a little bit different, but it's a blue background with an O also. Once you have it installed, it's gonna look like, well, you have your library number put in, Sophie? Mm-hmm. Okay, so Sophie already has her stuff put in here. But once you put this in, it's gonna ask you to search for your library. And when you do a search for your library, we have Marmot Library Network on there. You won't. You'll be searching for it. And the way I want you to search for it is to put in Mesa County. And when you search, it'll bring up Mesa County Valley School District. So you'll click on that. Now, if you have a public library card and you want to use your public library number, you can do Mesa County Libraries. But we're going to do the school district because we're going to use our ID numbers for our library number. So this is the one we want. And it's going to say Marmot Library, which we already have. Now, sometimes this is the part of installing this app that's a pain in the butt. Since my daughter's already installed hers, it's not going to put us through it. But it's going to be asking you for your library number, which I want you to use your ID number. If you're a teacher, you can use 41000 600 and then your 5-digit staff ID number. That's your teacher's school library number. And then it's going to give you somewhere on there an option that says Colorado Mountain College. And then the other option is going to be all users except CMC, which is Colorado Mountain College. You want to be all users except CMC. There's going to be some place for you to check that you're 13 or over. There's going to be a place for you to put in your email, I think, but you don't have to do that. And I just disregard it. You can click that. So the hardest part of Overdrive is getting it set up. Once you're set up, when you open the app, it looks like this, and all you do is add a title and it'll take you out to Marmot and you can look up anything you want. You can also see, if you click on here, some different collections, including new teen editions. Now, I'm going to tell you this. It's just like a library. When a book's checked out, you can't read it and it'll say waitlist at the top. Okay? Overdrive is really popular, you guys. A lot of times things are waitlisted. So the way I often look for books, because I just want something to read, is I will go to, there's ebooks and there's audiobooks. I will go to Available Now, and I'll just look through those. Now I'm getting all sorts of stuff, and these are like a lot of adult books. I just heard my daughter say, oh, like she wants to read this. This, I think, is a teen book, and this has gotten some great reviews. Anyway, say my daughter wants to borrow, what book are you wanting to borrow?
Michelle Obama's.
You're wanting to do Michelle Obama's. Since that's potentially politically divisive, I'm going to choose this one instead, sorry. So I'm Not Dying With You Tonight is a book that I might want to read. When you click on it, you can go to borrow right there at the bottom. I always choose 21 days because I'm so busy. Say borrow. And then you're going to download the EPUB book. And what it's doing is it's adding this to the app so you can read this in the app. So if I go back to my bookshelf, I now have a book there. And when I go to download it, it's going to take a second, and then there it is. And I can just read my book. Okay. And then I'm going to go back to my bookshelf. I can add another title. Remember, there's audiobooks. If you need help, email me and I will help you. Thank you guys. Bye.